guys, Jordan with nuCamp here. Today we're going to be going over the process for dewinterizing a Cirrus 920. When we talk about dewinterizing, all we're really doing is draining all the RV antifreeze out of the system, running Sanitizing Solution through all the plumbing, and then flushing the system with fresh water. Let's get started.
Start by draining any antifreeze left in the system. Open the gray and black tanks and allow them to fully drain. Then close the valve. Next, open the hot and cold low point drains and the freshwater tank drain. Empty any remaining antifreeze and then close them back up. Once everything has drained, it's time to sanitize the system. Attach a hose to the Nautilus panel and set it to Sanitize Mode. Mix a bleach solution to your preferred strength. A stronger bleach solution can be flushed through immediately, while a weaker solution will need time to sit in the tank to properly sanitize. A commonly recommended ratio from RV industry experts, such as Go RVing, is 1/4 cup of bleach per 15 gallons of water. At this ratio, the solution should remain in the system for 12 hours to sanitize effectively. Place the other end of your hose into your sanitizing solution and turn on the water pump to begin siphoning the solution into the system. We recommend placing all of your bleach concentrate into one sanitizing solution and then switching the Nautilus to power fill mode to speed up the tank filling process. As you fill the tank, keep an eye on your tank level to avoid overfilling. Once your freshwater tank is filled, set the Nautilus to dry camping mode. Run the bleach solution through all faucets and fixtures, including the kitchen sink, bathroom sink, interior shower, and outdoor shower. Be sure to run the solution through both the hot and cold lines. After the solution is run through the system, drain the hot and cold low point drains, the freshwater tank, and the black and gray tanks. Inside, you'll also need to drain your hot water tank using the Aldi relief valves, which are under the dinette bench. Once everything is fully drained, close all valves and drains. Now, use power fill mode to refill the freshwater tank with clean water. Then switch over to dry camp mode and repeat the process, running fresh water through all faucets and fixtures, again using both hot and cold lines to flush out the bleach solution. You can fill and flush the system with fresh water multiple times if needed to remove any residual bleach smell. Finally, drain the system one last time and turn off the water pump. Your Cirrus 920 is now fully dewinterized and ready for the camping season.
We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us here at tech@nucamprv.com. Thanks for watching.